Hello, welcome back. Right, what I've got today is a aluminium door with an era on here, and the handle won't retract the latch all the way. As locksmiths, we all know what that is. So the hooks work, the lock works, but it won't retract the latch, so the door won't open. Okay, it's just, yeah, not good. But what it is, so basically in these locks, they have these bits here at the back, which is sprung loaded to basically lift the handle back again. You just see the spring. Well, there's actually coils that go up and down there, and then what happens is they break off, they drop inside the lock and jam it up. Now you could say, yeah, we could just remove this and get it working, but then the handles, you're not relying on the spindle pulling the handles back up again. You're sort of like relying on the spring in the handle being good, so it's not really an option to do. Best thing to do is just replace it with a new one. So I've got my little super jig here, so I'm going to get that done. There we go. Let's see how much I can do one-handed. So first thing I'll do is the cylinder screw, because I forgot my baseball cap today for my right of the camera. So that'll be okay. Could really do with better cylinders. Okay. So a new handle cassette. That's gone. That's all. Missed the screw. Right. Missed the screw. Yeah. That's the lock off. Oh, hopefully it's right size. Always went to use it, it makes it look narrow. Oh, might be the wrong size. Dang. Right, let me get back to you guys. Okay, I've just been looking online at my suppliers, and no one seems to be doing a 30mm back set with a hook. They do it with a bolt, but not a hook. But this is going on an alley door, so I really want the hook. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the components out of this one and put them into this one, so we have a working unit. As you can see, there's the component broken. That's exactly what I thought. It's the back piece, this piece here, this piece here. And there's another one I took off another job. I took it out just to show the customer what was broken. And there's a couple of them here where they're just in bits, broken pieces, just snapped. Yeah, a piece of just snapped off like this piece here. Oh, if I can get it. Hang on. This piece here, that snapped off, went behind the bolt on the job, so you couldn't open the door. A little bugger there, so it dropped from the back of there and dropped right down. So when you pulled the handle back, the bolt wouldn't retract all the way, which wouldn't pull the latch back, which is exactly what's happening with this one. So yeah, let's get the bit swapped over and get it working. As I was saying, let's swap the bits over. So there's the broken bit off the old one. So I'm taking the one off this lock and put it onto here. I'll probably take these bits off as well, and this, and put it onto there. Just swap them over, so get near enough a new working lock. It's obviously different size length, so I can't use that, but then I could possibly use the latch. So yeah, we'll get all these bits swapped over and get it all working. So yeah, this is how it goes. So there's all the bits in there, and we'll put that together. There's all the stuff that's left over from stripping it all down and swap all the bits over. So I'm just going to put the cap on and let's see how it goes. Okay, time to pull the screws back. Now, one thing I'm going to say with these screws, right, look at the screw head. Okay, it's not got the little lines in between the cross. So, you know, these are different bits. Okay, one's a Phillips, one's a Posi. The silver one is a Phillips PH2. The gold one is a Posi PZ2. You can see in between the lines, in between the crosses, got a little line, which means it's a Posi. Posis do not go in them. A Phillips goes in them. Okay, the amount of people I see using a Posi screwdriver in a Phillips is mad. They'll say it will do, but it won't do. It just takes the head off the screws. So yeah, use the correct bit. That's the bit I'm going to be using in the tool. Then perfect fit, does up lovely. Okay, but I'm going to undo that, because what I do when I do the first screw up, I actually lift the strip up a bit. See that movement? So I don't do the handles up tight, everything's on there loose. Then I lift it and then I do, see there, watch, see, and then I do the screw up. So lift it to there, then I do the screw up. But I can't do that one-handed because I'm holding the camera today. So yeah, let's put it all back together. Alright, now the moment of truth. Okay, so lift the handle up, turn the key, locked, hooks are out, rollers are out, all done, all working great. And let's try the door shut. Shut the door, that's smooth. Turn the key, job done, locked, open it, it's fine. Now we'll try it from the inside. Lift the handle up, back in, look fine. Alright, rookie mistake, I haven't tightened the handles up. Oh, but look, I've changed the screwdriver a bit, because if you can see that, the light's good enough. Oh, that is a Posi. See the little lines between the crosses. Okay, so I have to remove this bit and put that back where I got it from, and I bring out the gold one. And then there's that one. Yes, it's annoying. Why can't they just use the same screws for everything? But that's the way things are. That's how the world is. So, yep, shot beautifully. Jobs are good, and with the handle in, pulls it in nice and tight. Brilliant.